7th class maths 12.2 exercise. Second question. The circumference of circle whose radius is, now radius is given, three parts are there. In first part radius is given 10.5 centimeter and we have to find its circumference. Radius is equal to 10.5 centimeter. We have to find its circumference. What is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r, 2 multiply by 22 by 7 pi value, r is given, that is 10.5. We can cut this point and write downside 10. Now 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, here what left? 35, 7 5s are 35. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Now what left? 22 multiply by 3, that is equal to 66 centimeter. This way, next part, radius is given 4.55 centimeter, then 4.2 centimeter, then 7.7 centimeter. This way you can solve all the part. Just you have to apply the formula 2 pi r and put the value of the r. Next question, find the circumference of the circle whose diameter is given now. Diameter, for example, in first part, diameter is given 14 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. Firstly, what you will find? Radius. What is the formula to find the radius? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. I have told you in the starting of exercise. Diameter is 14, divide by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Now you can find its circumference. What is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r, that is 2 multiply by pi value is 22 by 7. Multiply by r value we have found, that is 7. 7 cut with 7, 22 multiply by 4, that is 44 centimeter. This way, here also in next part, diameter is given, you can find its radius, then from radius you can find the circumference. These all parts are same, you will try it by yourself. Next question, find the radius of the circle. Now fourth part, we have to find the radius of the circle whose circumference is given. In first part, circumference is given 44 meter. Fourth question, first part. Now circumference of circle is given how much? 44 meter. We have to find its radius. What is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. It means we can write 2 pi r is equal to 44. 2 multiply by pi value 22 by 7 multiply by r is equal to 44. We have to find the value of r, then other numbers we will take on other side. R is equal to 44. When 7 you will take on another side, it will be of multiply, and 2 and 22, that will be of divide. Now 22 1 is 22. 22 2s are 44. 2 1 is 2. 2 1 is 2. R is equal to 7 meter. What will be radius? 7 meter. If they will say, in this question they said that find radius, then radius will be 7 meter. If they will say that find diameter, then what you will do? Diameter we know, that is double of radius, then diameter is equal to 7 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Next question, question number 5. That figures are given, we have to find its perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is total length of all sides. For example, first figure. This way given one rectangle and one given semicircle. Semicircle means a half circle. This side given 12 meter, this is given 6 meter. We have to find the length, total length of all sides, means this way, this is total length of all sides. This is 12 meter, then this will also be 12 meter. This is 6 meter, then this total will also be 6 meter. And we know that total is a diameter and radius is a half of the diameter. Means what will be the radius of this semicircle? That will be 3 meter. Radius of this semicircle will be 3 meter. Now we have to find total length of all sides. In this, one rectangle is there and one semicircle is there. Firstly, what you will find? You will find the perimeter of or circumference of this semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. Circumference of full circle is what? Circumference of circle we know that is 2 pi r. Then what will be the circumference of semicircle? Semicircle means half circle. This is the circumference of full circle. Circumference of half circle will be half into 2 pi r. 2 cut with 2, then what will left? Pi r. Pi value we know 22 by 7. What will be the value of r? R value, that is 3. This is 66 by 7 meter. It means circumference of this semicircle is 66 by 7 meter. Now what left? These 3 sides. These 3 sides left. This circumference we have found. These 3 sides left. We will find its perimeter now. What is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. 3 sides left. Which 3 sides? 12 plus 6 plus 12. That is 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 6, 30 meter. Total perimeter what? Total perimeter is equal to 30 plus 66 by 7. How we will solve it? We will take its LCM. Here you can write 30 by 1. LCM will be 7. Then 7 3s are 21, that is 210 plus 66. 276 by 7. 276 by 7, then 7 3s are 21. Here what left? 66. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. What left? 3. What will be answer then? 39. 3 by 7 meter. 39. 3 by 7 meter. This is the circumference of this full figure, or you can say perimeter of this figure. Thank you.